G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, today we're doing a twist on the Thai green chicken curry. We turn it into the sausage rolls using chicken mince and just a bit of a Thai green paste, and make this nice little spicy sausage roll. So here we go by the step-by-step process. We'll show you how you make these. Thank you. G'day everyone, welcome back. There's a nice easy recipe to follow. Now I've cooked off the onions and the spices and everything beforehand, so that releases all their flavours and everything, so it makes it easier. Then cool it down. Then I just mix everything then with the chicken mince, pipe it out, and then egg wash it and bake it in a hot oven at 180 degrees. So here we have them here. Have a bit of a taste test now. The pastry is nice and flaky. It's very flaky and buttery, the pastry. As you can see, it just started to fall apart there. But yeah, not too spicy, the chicken, but you can taste the flavours of the kaffir lime leaf in there, the garlic, and a little bit of spice. For the dipping sauce, I've got the Thai sweet chili. That'll go great with these. So give it a go. Tell me what you think about it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next video. Cheers!